Jeff is an active member since March earlier, and also Olga is a super advisor for us for Panda Inu, so can answer a lot of questions about Panda Inu. Also, Nikki, we have Nikki that she always explains a lot of information about how Panda Inu improve and how Panda Inu have a great future. So please follow us in our channels and Telegram. And if you have any question, please send it on chat and I will notice it. And keep buying Panda Inu because it has a great future. So we can start.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Amy. Thanks for the introduction. Well, I will start with some updates. First update: ECC coin is going to list on exchange at prices at $2 in the next few days. Also, Panda Inu token airdrop is starting for those who hold the ECC and EIFI token in their dashboard. And EIFI AMM text platform is in final testing, so it's coming very, very soon. And in the next days, it will be live for our worldwide users, so everyone can swap the listed currency easily with EIFI, ECC, and Panda Inu token. Now, Panda Inu Tap Wallet is in final testing as well. So it started. So I'm sure the next big move is to launch the Panda Inu wallet in the next few more weeks. Now, rest assured that the Etherconnect is the future of decentralized finance. So we need to hold ECC coin and EIFI as much as possible. So this will help us to gain more power and to grow the ECC and other coin price more profitable. So keep buying ECC. And Panda Inu the token at a lower price, because once the ECC will be live on exchange, then the price will not stop at $2, but it will grow high. Now, Panda Inu sales is a success. Round 3 is starting soon. Already 90% sold out on round 2. So buy at PancakeSwap at current trading price, which is $0.08, or inside back office of ECC at 0.0019, with 20% monthly release once the public sale is over. Daryl, maybe you can remind us of the roadmap, economics.
Certainly can, Jeff. Yeah, hi everybody. It's Daryl here from the UK. Panda roadmap is quite exciting for all of us. It's a great opportunity for people to build their passive incomes as a team leader, to get your team growing, to get your passive income up. So I must can't emphasize enough, due to the speed, and I'll mention it very shortly, of these sales buying out, selling out even. Buy Panda now. Now is a great chance. Jeff's always saying how buy low, sell high. Now is the low price. There are private sales and the public sale on the way, but I can't emphasize enough, now is the time to buy Panda. So please go out, buy Panda. Don't miss out. You will regret it if you do not buy Panda now. But yes, Jeff, I can update, remind everybody to say, of the course we've been through, where we are now in the world of Panda tokens. So let's have a think about the token economics. You might remember that the total supply for the whole of the Panda was 475 billion. Now, we like big numbers, and that certainly is a big number. 60% of these are going for sale, 10% for airdrops, which are coming along, 20% for the team, and 10% for the marking. Of the sales structure, there is a massive 285 billion tokens. I say massive, but they're buying. People are buying, they're selling out. So there's a lot of being bought. So get on there and buy. Now, for those of you looking for round 1, you're too late. Round 1's gone, it's already happened. well above expectations. I've got to thank everybody for participating in that, and Jeff's already alluded to the fact that the second private sale round is also selling out very fast. So again, get out there, buy those pandas as quickly as you can. So what's happening? Happening now is round 2. There are 50 billion tokens available for sale, so get on there and get them. It's twice as high as the price of our first private round. Remember though, our private sale round 3 is on the way. 25 billion available within that sale. Public sale, which is on the way. So look out for that. After our private round sale 3, where we have 25 billion with a lock-in of 40% per month release, the public sale will be on the way, where we have 10 billion tokens available, which is a shorter period of time, but they're all released over a month, 10 times higher than the private sale. Now, we've been asked where are we listing. Jeff's already mentioned a couple, but our targeted exchanges are the usuals, as mentioned last time: PancakeSwap, KuCoin, Binance, Gate.io, Huobi, Coinbase. So get ready. It is looking like the biggest ICO of 2021, backed by the ECC and the unified community. And as you know, we have one of the biggest communities. So it is going fast. Remember also, as Jeff's always saying, and I'd like to remind you, a meme token only has the value that people put into it. So as a celebrity meme, launched out there, backed, promoted by our huge community, we're always telling you how big it is because it is that big. The value we all expect is going to go high. So get out there, get buying pandas, get creating your referral teams, use ECC affiliate links and profit from your referrals buying token. So go Team Panda. Back to you, Jeff.
Yeah, thanks, Darius. Yeah, it was just amazing how fast round 1 went. Really very fast. Just a few days, 200 million sold out. Just amazing, and the servers were overloaded. Many users were queued in their transaction in the past days. So, well, the goal is here, and a lot of funny photos on Telegram, creating the buzz. And well, now Panda Inu wallet is also in final testing, and it will be live in the market for worldwide users in October next month. And the next Panda Inu token pre-sale next round is coming soon. So it will come very soon. So it's a great coin. Panda Inu will provide a new cross-chain transaction ecosystem, and we have on one hand amazing performances, and the market conditions are just fantastic. The financial market is now clearly shifting to the crypto. Decentralized finance, and when in the past there was just a small percentage for crypto, now the traditional finance is moving on towards crypto, and there's no more doubt about that. One of the big 4 professional services called Deloitte revealed that the blockchain has now is now adopted as mainstream, and is not more anymore at the early adoption stage. So they made this survey that revealed that 80% of overall participants stated that digital assets will be very or somewhat significant to their respective industries in the next 24 months, and even 73% of the folks are concerned that they would lose an opportunity for a competitive advantage if their firm failed to adopt either digital assets or blockchain. We also hear that among the top 100 banks, 50 banks had a crypto project in the last 12 months. So other mainstream payment players are also embracing crypto. In the past year, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, they all have announced teaming up with crypto companies. When in the past crypto was a threat for those players, they are now shifting, and there are multiple reasons for that. One reason is that good firms go to where the customers are, and they also go to where the customers are headed. And we saw that from January this year to April. The global crypto users went from 106 million to 203 million. So it just doubled in a couple of months. Yep. And well, the payment giants recognize the new technology potential and want to be involved and benefit from its growth. So instead of competing desperately against crypto and losing potential consumers, so it's much better for them to help shape the future by creating ways to add value, and everyone wins by teaming up. So this big revolution, as big as the internet or as the electricity, and we are in this shifting market with big changes for the next 5 years, at least until the next disruption in 10 or 20 years. So awesome projects, awesome product, latest technology, safe, various tools, ECC, EIFI, Mincoin with the Panda Inu and AMM DEX coming soon, yield farming, probably gaming, and a lot of good tools to come. So aside of the product innovation and disruption, our biggest asset is, we all say, is our community. 1 million with ECC, 4 million with EIFI, and in our database we can reach out to 60 million total users. So that's proof of that is how fast private and public sales went for EIFI for $16 so fast, and how fast the first round was closed with Panda Inu, and the test on exchange we peaked at $300 for EIFI. So if you're here today with the DeFi system with Etherconnect, that is because you want decentralization based on blockchain tech, safe with the latest tech, no borders. And if you're here with Etherconnect, it means that you are the kind of person who like to have total control on every aspect of your life in line with your core values. Today we had with us Olga. Maybe if you can introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. So, no problem. Hello, everyone, once again. So, it's great to see so many people here, despite the fact that it's Saturday and, it's weekend, I believe, in most countries, and people plan something. But anyway, they found an hour just like to be here to join us, and it's really fantastic. So, I want to greet everyone, and thank you, Jeff, for adding me to this meeting. Let me introduce myself. My name is Olga, and I'm one of the chief finance advisors at Panda Inu and EIFI Finance. So, I'm here today just this meeting to thank you for your support in growing Panda Inu token, and its name is so famous on the world market. And because of all your great efforts and support, we have more than 16 million community, and Daryl also mentioned that so our community is one of the biggest in the world. So it is an amazing news, isn't it? I suppose you would agree,
Absolutely.
right? Yeah. So, and we assure you that Panda Inno will grow your future rapidly in a strong and secure way. And our team is working day and night to reach our target as soon as possible and to deliver the best to everyone. At the moment, we are working on a new move, which is NFT farming under Panda Inno wallet. I guess this news is also interesting for everyone. And that's it, just short introduction from my side, and I'm done with this. So, Jeff.
Thanks for the introduction. Nikki, do you have some updates for us?
I have a few updates. I think you've touched on a few of them, Jeff. Mine's basically to do with EFI and ECC, because I read a lot on the social media and things like that, and I think it's important to remember the grandfather in the group. So as you mentioned, the Ethereum blockchain has had some issues due to splitting, so the tech team is working on this, and soon we're going to be shifting to BSC, the Binance Chain Network, so that all withdrawal processes is going to be under the BNB and it's going to run smoothly. And I think you mentioned that the ECC coin is going to list on exchange at about $2 in the next few days. Now, what I would like to do is encourage everybody here to, if you go onto Telegram, please read the pinned posts always. I think that's very, very important, because I see a lot of people kicking off down the line. And if you read the pinned posts, a lot of the time the information's there. And also I think it's important to encourage your teams to come on these Zoom calls as well, because a lot of information comes out of this. That updates the ECC back office, 10% monthly release of purchase tokens, airdrop tokens and commissions earned in EFI tokens. The back office, 100% release for purchase tokens in public sale. Airdrop tokens in the EFI back office will take probably about another maybe 1 to 2 weeks for release, because there's been a lot of, we've had to do a lot of fake data or fake data scrubbing, and the tech team has been working on it. What I would say is be ready for some short-term price volatility in EFI with all of these tokens being released. If you're a day trader, trade with caution. This has got to be something you're in for the long term. If you're a holder, you've got nothing to worry about, as because the long-term future for EFI and DEX is just insanely good. So once you receive your EFI tokens, you've got 3 options. You can swap them for BNB at market price, swap them for PWT tokens at market price, or I would say just hold. And we're almost ready with EFI DEX with the final testing, and hopefully for a rollout in the next week or so, I believe. So initially it will go live with swap feature with 3 trading pairs. There's EFI, BNB, PWT, BNB, and EFI, PWT. And once the swap function is 100% optimized, staking and farming features will go live, as I think Olga has mentioned. So stay tuned. ECC is the grandfather token of this whole system. EFI is pumped, Panda Inno is pumped, and I can only just imagine what's about to happen. So congratulations to everybody for the future.
Thanks, Nikki. Daryl, maybe you have some updates to share?
I've got some on the back of what Nikki just said on the ECC community, but probably useful for some of our leaders out there, or our team leaders, whatever. So I do have, and I'd like to give you some ECC updates for the team. So if people out there would like to take some notes and forward to their teams, that would be great. Now, backing up and supporting what yourself and Nikki have said, I do have some updates based on the increased demand over the last few weeks, and certainly the rapid growth of our global networks across the globe, Russia, Vietnam, India, Africa. The EC launch price, as mentioned, on Uniswap has doubled from $1 to $2, which means bigger profits for all, and certainly everyone who's currently involved. So great opportunity to increase our passive incomes by getting all involved with the purchasing and promotion of that. As mentioned, the $2 is the initial price for the liquidity pool for the EC USDT. on Uniswap, and from there the price will totally depend on its, I guess, the trading. As it trades, gets more popular, price will go up. So yeah, now's the chance. Buy and trade as soon as you can. After the 15th of September, once the ETC live trading starts, all staking rewards in ETC back office will be based on, again, the real-time live trading price of ETC on the DEX platforms. Also to note that the withdrawals, all of them in fact, will be done on ETC, which you will be able to withdraw into your Trust wallet MetaMask, and when they swipe against the USDT or other pairs based on live liquidity and pricing across the exchanges. So remember, the liquidity pools will also increase based on real-time staking and withdrawal. The tracing pairs for ECC and E5, ECC Panda will also be made live across various DX platforms. This marks the first important step towards complete decentralization of ECC, as mentioned last time, and ensuring that the platform is built to last and is governed by you, the community. As we used to mention in our marketing presentations, this is all planned. There's a roadmap which is being updated as we speak in the presentation format. It's all on schedule, it's all planned. The great things for us, certainly with our new Panda, which again I implore you to go and buy, is there are opportunities for you to become a team leader, encourage other people around you to sell, enjoy as they stake, but also you can earn a passive income from what they sell and join one of our 7 top teams and earn passive ongoing rewards. So yep, they're the updates at the moment on the ECC and various other things. So back to Jeff.
Thanks, thank you. Yeah, like I said, the market is huge. It's just going crazy for the next few years, and the potential is huge. If you take, for example, if you compare Panda Inu to other meme coins and their capitalization, Shiba Inu has a capitalization of $13 billion, and the Dogecoin has reached $61 billion. So that's just give you an idea on how big we can grow this baby. So grow your teams, and if all team leaders are here to grow their ranks, then it's a good thing. Any other updates, Nikki?
Not from me, darling.
Okay, Daryl?
Well, I've got some Panda updates. So I mentioned Panda today and how important it is, and I really do implore you to go buy Panda. Now's the time. Sale 1 is finished. Jeff's already mentioned Sale 2 is disappearing fast. Sale 2 is on the way, and then the great public rush. Now, remember, we are excited, as mentioned, that the airdrop for Panda with 3 million tokens is on the way, and very soon it will be happening. 10 tokens on sign-up, 5 tokens per free referral, which is live very, very shortly. As soon as that's coming, you'll be told about. It's a great thing. Get involved. Also, remember, the CMC listing for Panda Inu, it's on its way, which will be here very shortly again in the next few days. So once it's done, everyone will be informed, and the exchange listings of PWT will also begin. Finally, I think the final update I have on my sheet for today is the Panda U wallet tech, as mentioned, is also ongoing. We're hopeful for an October release in this. But don't remember, lots of pandas out there. It's all very limited, so Board Panda, Panda Punks, Kung Fu Pandas, all scheduled to go live soon, which will take the whole of our ecosystem up to the next level. Massive excitement all round, massive excitement building, certainly here in the leadership team, and a great time for you, the community, to come and get involved. Watch out for our end of September launch for these features, and keep this to yourself kindly, so don't spread it outside the group. It's a great thing. Look out for it, get buying when it's there. So that's all my pandas today, Jeff.
Yeah, thank you very much. So guys, stay tuned for upcoming announcements, and keep staking ECC, EIFI, and buy Panda Inu, buy this baby. Well, we can close if you don't have any more updates. Amy?
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, if
So
there are
I-
no more updates, I think we can close this meeting.
Okay, I can see some reminders for them that Panda Inu is another ecosystem platform and have a decentralized feature. So keep buying Panda Inu, and we always working for improve our social media platforms and our website to solve your issue in short time. So don't hesitate to send your problem or your question on Telegram official group. Also, now Etherconnect community is now more than 15 million registered users, which include Panda Inu users and EIFI. This is a big achievement. So keep follow us and say to your community to follow us and keep buying Panda Inu to grow your future with us. So stay tuned for the news for next webinars on Saturdays and also during the week. And we waiting your questions on Telegram official group and our email. So have a good day and bye-bye.
Thanks.
Bye, Amy. Bye,
Bye-bye.
Nikki.
Bye.
See you later, Jeff.
Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
Olga.
Goodbye. Bye.